Welcome to our room. We've got our beautiful Kinsman built-in wardrobes. We've got our beautiful painting from Art Lovers by Lauren Danger.
Oh, I love that print.
Come on.
The shears and the electric blinds that come straight down and give you the privacy you want.
Custom-made desk.
Oh, he's so good. He's so good.
Our hydronic heating as
Hydronic
well.
heating.
For 50,000.
Did you? Yes, and. That's it. Rolling. Welcome to our bathroom.
Rolling. We've got our beautiful terrazzo tiles. Underfloor heating.
Oh, it's so warm. Oh. It's such a cold day in Melbourne. Oh my God.
Our lovely vanity from Reese.
What, lie down?
And our gorgeous concrete bowl from Reese as well.
It's very nice. The colours work really beautifully, and I love
that
this.
basin.
How nice is it? It matches their bath downstairs.
That's stunning. A nice hidden toilet. The toilet roll is at the right length, height. I googled it.
And a nice big shower. What more could you want?
What more?
Hey, welcome to our room. Come on in.
Come on in. This is our beautiful cabinetry.
Beautiful cabinetry. So we've got cupboard space for days.
Beautiful, they're cool, aren't they?
Like concrete.
Yeah.
Our mural. Look at that.
That is stunning.
Stunning.
And Sarah's beautiful bed. We
We
really
love
love
our
this
room.
room. We really do. And I hope you guys love it too.
Welcome to my beautiful bathroom.
Welcome.
It's my favourite.
So this is structurally amazing.
Yeah.
I just want you to take a quick look up at my ceiling.
Yep.
Take a look at that.
Look at that
height.
terrazzo.
This tile is stunning.
That tile is
Stunning.
beautiful.
Check out that vanity.
Yeah, black on
Wow.
black.
Hydronic towel rack.
Welcome to our rooms.
This is our bathroom, but it's not the only room we've got this week. We've got a bathroom and 2 bedrooms. So this is our space, Nuco basins. We have black tapware.
Mate, this has been a focus for everybody.
Oh,
The
Daniel's
beautiful
favourite.
toiletware.
Oh, this is the bow Daniel was talking about.
Did he tie that?
He was saying he wants to do a challenge
Of who
like
can-
for the next bathroom, which is all we've got left studio.
Yeah.
He wants to see who can like do the coolest thing with their toilet roll.
And now, onto the bedroom.
Let's go check it out.
Welcome to our boys' room. Amazing. Artwork. Hang on, best bit of all,
Oh.
the Luke Skywalker helmet. It's a winner, it's a winner.
We're actually gonna buy that off the block and take it home for our kids.
Lots of goodies, let's go
Let's
to
check
the
out
next
girls' room.
one.
Have a look at this one. Have a look at this beauty. Check out this one.
Simplicity. The palette is completely different, something new they've never seen, and they love it.
See why the judges loved it. The light coming in the windows onto the
know.
bedboard.
Look how light it is in here. Those highlight windows are such a feature.
We hope you love our room as much as we do.
Welcome to our
bathroom.
Woo! Over here we've got our amazing timber vanity.
Oh, interesting.
And this light, which is just perfect because it highlights all the imperfections in the tiles, which are beautiful.
Hand-baked terrazzo tiles. These terrazzos are just so subtle but beautiful. Won't date. Our lovely gold tapware.
Don't forget to look over here. This is our lovely little area to put all your goodies when you're having a bath, heated towel rails. Mwah!
Welcome to our room! This is our lovely hanging chair, our bespoke, beautiful dowel railing and ladder that we made, as well as the bunk bed.
Oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh my God, how happy would you be as a kid with this room?
They're great lights too to put in there. What a great kids' room.
We've got a single bed that's got a trundle underneath, so this kid can have 3 friends, all of them hanging out. Graphico wallpaper, beacon lights.
We love this room and we hope you do too.
Welcome to our room. Where's Tam?
Welcome to our room.
This is our bathroom. Nice, big, bold colours.
I will say, I'm not a fan of the peach.
This is the high-vis bathroom.
I'm sorry. Oh, that's hurting my eyes.
Best thing about the whole thing is the size of this bath.
It's a big bath. We've got a beautiful bit of architecture here that we wanted to make a big point of. Big shower.
Terrazzo is very in at the moment. We've still kept with the 50s theme as well.
Hope you like it, guys.
We love it.
love it. Welcome to our room. This is our guest bed number 3, and as you can see, she's a ripper.
We're really happy with everything. The wallpaper is beautiful, fits in with our Palm Springs style.
Yep.
And then there's this beautiful bench that goes into a flowing seat, which looks out into our beautiful pool area.
That's beautiful.
What a room.
It's gorgeous.
And they didn't win with this?
I know.
We love our room and we think it's going to appeal to a lot of people.
We hope you love it too.